गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल देखि पारुथुमे समस्ते एटा करीमीन फिश दिस इज फॉल ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन सो यार करीमीन फिश रो बहुत किछि हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स रहउछि भाबिली आपण मानक सहित समस्तक सहित शेयर करिवि बोली सो इट इज वेरी वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन and low fat as well as high level of omega 3 fatty acids is there so every person can consume it जार भी ब्लड प्रेशर लेवल हाई अच्छी सो इट इज़ गुड फॉर देम and it is good for heart also and it is high level of omega 3 fatty acids is there so it is very good for brain development as well and it also good source of phosphorus calcium so the people who are suffering from calcium deficiency they can also use this fish it's a very good fish and rare fish and not look wise it is look wise jama bhi bhalo no but it's quite tasty and it good for health also so bhabili kichita informative hobo so I just sharing this video with you all so it mu voice cover ଦେଇଛି ଯେହେତୁ fish fry and all it takes so many times so ମୁଁ ଏଠି voice cover ହିଁ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ hopefully ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ହେବ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ and it's a variety of fish ବହୁତ ଭଲ variety of fish so you consume it and hopefully it will be liked by all of you so have a good day to all of you thank you so much.